Yo, yo, yo. That is not a bad idea, bud. What is up, internet world? Today we are going to do a few things. Mainly, I want to try and get some people to join the AI Factory, my free educational community. Number two, what are we going to do? We need to get our chats open. Number one. Number two, we can check out BizRise.io, my AI-powered web app. And number three, I really want to build like a community-driven project on the internet, live streaming. So what I want to do is small businesses. I mean, when you're starting a business, there's a lot of documentation. There's a lot of LLC information. There's taxes. There's interest rates. There's laws. There's there's a lot of stuff you got to do, right? Well, we can make a small business AI expert from documentation if we have the sources and put it together on BizRise.io to be a resource for everyone to use. You know what I'm saying? So, let's see what we got here. We got some messages. Brother. Jump in the chat on YouTube. We'll make an AI app today. That is the goal, because Anton's got some good information on like taxes, on different updates, because it's important shit to know when you're younger, coming up through it. Like, that's essentially what college should be. Like, all right, how do you make money? How do you manage your money? What taxes are you going to pay? All that. So we can make a Vertex AI search to be efficient in that. And I've been trying to think of like a good way or a good example to do that. But really, it's just, all right, anybody in the community, the AI Factory, free to join, and we'll just put the documentation in the threads. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, bud. But we need the internet to help us do that. I mean, I can personally do it, but it would be way more efficient if a community got together to do it. All right, pop out that chat, baby. YouTube chat is live. So we're live right now on YouTube. We're going shorts on YouTube. We're going vertical on YouTube today. That has been my analytics. Winner, winner, chicken dinner is YouTube live and vertical. So believe it or not, in this setup. So we're doing that, and then we are on Twitch because we need to get clips. Anton. Yeah, this is gonna be sick. Anton's coming to hang. And before I give you that link, I'm gonna put. We gotta customize this for Anton because he's cool. He is seriously cool. And he's got some good information, like a good approach to teach people, good intentions with it. Shit. Can I edit that text? Screen not big enough? Alright. We got Anton. Boom. See if we can put this in the middle. There we go. That looks a little better. We do something like that. So nobody ever sees that top left corner anyway. I gotta put it down a little bit more. Just gotta move my head out of the way. There we go. Yeah, let's go. All right, Anton. Link is coming your way. Anton. Let's do a little. We gotta do a little promo of this too until you get here, Anton. I'm going to send out a promo email. Gotta do one more screenshot. Anton, when you get here, brother, make sure you jump in the chat. Chat. Screenshot YouTube. Ciao. This is how you do shit in the future. Right. We have technology available. We can do stuff over YouTube Live. Anton, if you happen to get here, I'm going to send out a quick marketing email saying, yo, we're going to do a live AI app development that is going to be beneficial for everyone. If you are a small business, if you have a pulse, if you've heard business, it is good to have an AI-powered resource with updates on interest rates, tax information, business, policy, local policy, zoning, permitting, all of the stuff that is actually needed in life. Money management tips, like, there's the perfect application. So, app, we're going to make an app for that application. So, Anton, if you come by YouTube and you see this, all you got to do is hit the chat. Yes, it is. There he is. All right, Anton, what up? Dude, if you don't mind, I'm gonna start recording this stream because this is awesome. How are you, brother? How are you doing today? How's the day? Yes, you are, dude. This is so cool. I'm so pumped you joined me. I am so pumped. I'm actually sending out a quick marketing email for us, 2 people. Duh, no shit. Saying we're gonna do a little collaboration live, baby. So, Anton, we are doing life supercharged. Yeah, search. Alright, I need to link this to the YouTube live. Yeah, man, you're gonna have to. Sorry, I jumped the gun a little bit. I will be ready in like 5 minutes and I'll go show you kind of what we're doing. But what I think is such a good example of a Vertex AI search is exactly what you do. There's a lot of information as far as, taxes and how do they apply and, what do I do with my money? And let's say I'm starting an online business. What does that look like? What are different options for LLCs? S Corp? Is it beneficial? And yeah, hell yeah, me too, dude. This is so awesome. And what's cool about what you do is like you're providing this information to people. And what we can do is we can put that in a Vertex AI search so people can find the information they need quickly. And it also has Gemini to respond. So it has like the power of AI behind it. Like you just basically give Gemini directions with your data, which will be like, all right, what does that mean with the interest rate change today? Like the post you just made. If you train an AI on that, we can have that as a resource for everybody. And that's a product and service you can put behind a pay gate to make money with. So it's part of like the school community thing, right? Like you can you can add a feature to your community for that value add. And it's an AI powered Vertex AI search. These things are nuts, dude. Yeah, especially with your knowledge, bro. Like if you made an expert AI with all of your information, bro, I'm telling you. And live stream too, man. Like it just drive traffic to it. Let's go. But we'll see how this marketing email works. YouTube live now. I'm sending everybody to our YouTube live, bro. Bam. Bam. Directly to it. All right. One more picture, bro, and then we will rock and roll. Dude, that'd be so badass if it did have 8,000 subs. I would love that. But think about this, too. This would be the cool part. If it did actually have 8,000 subs, how quickly could we put together a Vertex AI search as a small business expert if we had 8,000 people putting documents there? Because think about this, dude. The one thing I was thinking about with your community, especially, is there is free information that you can use online. A lot of that is government information. But what's nice about the government is anything they got to put online has to be accurate, right? So tax information, all of that good stuff. But if we can organize that documentation, just find a place to put it, post it on the thread in the AI factory. I made a thread for it. I can make an AI assistant for it. Almost ready, dude. I'm getting ready to hit send on the email right now. I get geeking out on my AI technology. Alright. So, Anton, we're going to send an email right now. We'll see if we can drive some people to our YouTube Live. You know what we need to do first? We need to put... Dude, I bet. And we need to explain that to people and, why that's happening. And what's cool is even if we did this like on a Zoom call or a live like back and forth interview, we can use that transcription to train AI too. So there's just such easy ways to create AI that actually can optimize processes. So life supercharged. Unity. Think. Boom. And Jack Hamady. AI Factory. So then that way too, if people do see this, they can see your link in the chat. All right, Anton. So I gotta make sure I'm recording too. That's one thing, bro, is I've done these lives. I think I did one for Robbie, where it's like a 50-minute interview and I didn't fucking record it. It was terrible. The early live experiences. Let's see. Supercharged. With a community. Hang. Alright, Operation Team Rise. Here we go. Here we go. Sending. Alright. Anton, so what I'm going to do, bro, is I will, once this gets all sent, I'm going to head to what's called Google Cloud Platform. Now, think about that as Google giving us access to their supercomputers and their AI technology. So this is going to be all Google-based stuff, but what they've done is made it really accessible for anybody to make some cool-ass AI apps that can be useful for people very easily. And one of the important ones that I think... Yeah, what up, Jordan? And Jordan's was the other one too, but I think it's really important for businesses, freelancers, entrepreneurs, to understand what those tax rates mean, what interest rates mean, how those things can affect them. Yay, so this is sending right now. I got the little wheelie circle. Okay. Yeah, me too, bro. My bad, Jordan. We're all trying to get our own businesses going. You have made me level up my game, sir. That is 100% true. Okay, so what are we looking at here? We got everything going. All right, Anton and Life supercharged. We should be good to go. So let's go take a look, boys, at GCP. So cloud.google.com. Oh, Jordan, you just put me on mute in the background, brother. Hang tight. But, I mean, your timing, always impeccable, sir. So if I can make it to the Vertex AI search, I think you're going to like this. Yeah, Jordan, we're going to get you out of there, bro. Anton's going to put together a plan. We're going to figure that out. All right, so can you guys see? It should be loading up. Try and close as many windows as possible. Because sometimes it is not easy to stream. Dude, that's what I'm talking about. Dude, I love your style, Jordan. You're fucking cool. All right, Anton, can you see this? Can you boys see that screen? So what I got here is these are some of the examples of AI agents that I've made. One of them was like, train one on the Affordable Cares Act. See where money's available for government grants. This is Buzz AI right now, is the AI assistant on BizRise.io, my web app, and I made him from the AI community setup. All right, cool, Anton. Thanks, brother. But Anton, for you specifically, and like what you're talking about with, regulations, with interest rates, with that type of business information. Well, here was a project that I started this one in December, and this one kind of went to the back burner because I went into building BizRise.io, the web app, because I realized these things need a place to live. But so check out the data store and really what we can train these agents on. So this is how it works. You find the information. Every AI is only as good as the data it's trained on, right? So what we do, and a majority of government websites is free information as long as you get the right documents, you don't change the file name, and you provide the link to it. So, for example, this is the Colorado Small Business Handbook, right? And you basically just go get the PDFs and you upload them into the AI, okay? If I can get a different, like a good example of a long one. Selling your business, maybe? So this is basically just the entire Colorado Small Business Handbook on this one. Let's see if I got some other documents, but you can put up to like thousands and thousands and thousands of documents. Okay, so yeah, this is just the entire Colorado Small Business Handbook. But what we can do as far as, like a life supercharged approach, talking about interest rates, well, go to sba.gov. And these documents are free to use, right? So we can go funding programs. Where's the like grant programs? Grants. Let's see. Page, grants, organizations, innovations and research. Let's see what we got here. You know what I'm saying? Like we can find all these documents. We can go to what's the SEC? Does the SEC have a bunch of documentation? SEC.gov. Let's see. Securities data and research. Learn about investing, right? Oh, I don't want feedback. Investor.gov. But you see what I'm saying, man? Like, we can take and get all these documents, find them, whatever you're doing, or like whatever you're putting together for people, you might as well utilize it with, let's see, AI. You can find some like PDF, some anime in or the Library of Congress. Tons of free info. Okay, but let me show you kind of the right. So if we can get the information that we want from it to learn stuff and teach people, here's kind of what comes out of it. Let me just show you the app and how it works. So this is trained on the Colorado Small Business Handbook, right? So I can say, what is an LLC? So what's cool about these is they're a really good resource for people to use because it's like a AI-powered search bar with Gemini, right? So it's going to give you that information from, what we've trained it on as far as data. And then you can do, you can do follow-up questions. And what's nice about this too is it's going to give them the source so they can go to the part in the training that we've provided for that AI so they can see that exact document. And it follows up with Gemini, right? So you can ask follow-up questions, you can interact with it. It's like a Can you see it, Anton? Anton, check. If you don't have the sound, because I can hear it on my stream on YouTube. Let's see, I'm gonna ask Twitch. Twitch. And dude, what I might have to do, Anton, is because I've been trying to do multi-stream to a bunch of different platforms. But I might just have to eat it and go YouTube only. Okay, I'm going to YouTube. But sometimes... No.